out.
Light will be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
You think you know the code, child? You wouldn't last a night in Niflheim.
Then I'll be sure to take it off my list of possible tour stops.
You jest, but your
Are you ready to win, Rad?
Yippee!
I was gonna say, can I get a
The battle's
Can you what?
yipper? Can I get a yipper?
Oh fuck, I'm gonna be late.
Can I get a
No.
yipper?
I cannot give you that. I don't know how to give that.
Can I get a yipper?
Yippee!
Texas is on top.
Said no one, dude. What the fuck is their comp? Comp from Hal.
I think I want to move down. We can play the corner. You can play the corner at the bottom if you want. I can sit at the bottom too.
Thanks so much.
I'm moving down around the corner, but I'm gonna just hold the bottom down here.
Okay. Oh fuck, the cars really push.
So I'm saying just hold the corner.
Okay. Oh, I'm gonna
The
get
Spider-Mans
pulled off.
are duking it out. Oh.
I'm scared I'm gonna get pulled off. Okay, we can sit on this corner.
It feels like the spirit of the city just faded away.
Careful,
Oh
Red, careful,
fuck,
Red,
I
careful,
didn't even
Red.
see him. I got pulled in by Spider-Man. Didn't even see him in the sea of all those people.
I got a... Oh shit.
Good pull. Good shit, Spider-Man.
Help! I don't have fade. I'm dead.
Oh, that's not good.
I just used it right there at the end. Oh, jump. Oh, oh.
There's still a chance to stop them.
How did that
No,
not kill him?
fuck. I didn't charge it nearly
I've
enough.
high-key gotten asked a lot to
I
sell
still
feet
needed
pics.
like
I'm
2
considering
seconds of
it.
charge.
I feel like that'd be fire. Be like the best and easiest job ever.
The feet picks.
Yeah, selling feet pics.
Have you tried?
No.
Should probably try. If not, it'll be good side money.
Yeah, just like a little extra.
Yeah.
You trying to buy feet pics, Fred?
No. No. Oh, this range is trying to touch you.
He's trying to walk it down heavy.
Heavy. What is happening? What the fuck?
My time to shine.
Guys, portaling.
Only 60 seconds left.
He's ulting.
Oh,
He's ulting.
fuck. Oh my god. My
I
fucking
faded.
light flashed
I
before
faded
my
it.
eyes.
I faded. Did you get it? I don't have another fucking fade. I only
Yeah.
have one fade.
Your
I
fade.
faded the Wanda ult. I don't have any more fades.
Ranger's 1 HP behind you.
Down to 30 seconds.
Not one, he's fucking lying.
If we can just hold on a little
Okay, go back, hello?
They hit a checkpoint. Now
Okay, I'll just install wins the game though.
I should try it.
Why?
Oh,
Yeah,
not me.
Just kill them faster.
I think
Like 3
think
shots, go Iron Man.
everyone. I feel like if you're a woman, you should do that. It's just like it's a possibility of being like free money.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
I just faded the Spider-Man ult. Dude, I can't.
I think you need to go hella for the CC, for the stun. There's too much stuff, man.
It's so frustrating not being able to cloak everything.
they've made it halfway. Stop them. the grand finale.
You get a wet. You get a wet. You get a wet.
Spider swing top right. Games tonight have been interesting to say the least.
Maximum pulse.
What?
Maximum
Cause
pulse.
shawty is an eeny meeny miny mo lover. Shawty is an eeny meeny miny mo lover. Shawty